Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this Mario Badescu Vanilla Lip Wax. I'm excited to try this out because I love the brand Mario Badescu. I actually think they were kind enough to send me this in PR a while ago. So I, of course, love to give that disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I was looking this up online and it looks like this comes in an original scent and the vanilla scent. Both of them retail for $5 each. And it says it's a lightweight vitamin E and aloe enriched balm to soften and smooth dry lips. And I was just looking in the mirror right before filming this and I was like, wow, my lips are really chapped, looking really bad right now. So my lips definitely need this right now. Ooh, it has a pretty potent vanilla smell to it. It smells kind of like vanilla extract. It smells really nice. But let's go ahead and see if this really does smooth, moisturize my chapped lips. Ooh, it also has like a sweet vanilla flavor that I'm tasting as well. That's a pleasant surprise. This is also cruelty free and paraben free. And I love that as I'm applying it, I just kind of watch it basically like melt onto my lips. It becomes almost like a glossiness, which is awesome and super moisturizing to my dry lips. It's like it's an immediately hydrating texture, but I'm like trying to rub my lips together, trying to make the chapped areas of my lips go away. And even though they are looking more moisturized, there's still some chapped texture remaining on my lips. And I mean, this is a nice lip balm. It's super hydrating. My lips were just extremely chapped today. And some lip balms, even more like lip oil, more like squeezy tube lip balms, if that makes sense, will actually get rid of the chapped texture on my lips completely when I apply it. So that's more hydrating than this one here. And I actually think Mario Badescu makes a squeezy lip balm version, exactly like what I'm talking about. So I think it depends on just how extremely chapped your lips are. If your lips are very chapped like mine are right now, I would say choose something a little bit more moisturizing than this lip balm. But like for my top lip where I didn't have all that chapped area, completely hydrating, smooths out the lips. It does have a little bit more sheen than other lip balms, which I personally like. And I just really like this flavor as well. So for $5, I think this is a nice lip balm. It's not the best lip balm I've ever tried in my life, but it's definitely not bad. And although my lips are not 100% chap free right now, they feel so much better. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out this Mario Badescu lip balm, what your thoughts are on it, but also I'd just really like to hear what your favorite lip balms are in general in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching this quick video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.